Good evening students. In today's class we will solve the questions related to logic gates. There are three basic logic gates. What are those? NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. Now see here, first one NOT gate, the symbol of NOT gate. It is the symbol of NOT gate. Input is A and output is A bar. Now what its meaning? NOT gate having one input and one output. Then what is the truth table for NOT gate? Truth table. In one column I will write input, in another column output. Okay. So see here, if input is 0, then its output is 1. Then if input is 1, output is 0. Then it is the truth table for NOT gate. So next one, AND gate. So AND gate will do multiplication function. So this is the circuit symbol for AND gate. A, B. A, B are the two inputs and output of the AND gate can be written as Y is equal to A and B. So how to read this one? A and B. See, this is the symbol of AND gate. Now truth table for AND gate. There are how many inputs? There are two inputs. Then now possibilities of applying two inputs can be taken as 4. Then now see here, 2 raised to n. Then how many inputs are there? 2 inputs are there. Then 2 raised to 2, that is 4. Possibilities of applying inputs can be 4. Okay. Now so here n is the number of inputs. Now input and output. Then how many inputs are there? 2 inputs are there, A and B, and output can be taken as Y is equal to A and B. Then if A0, B0, then if A0, B1, then if A1, B0, and if A is 1, then B is also 1. Then what is the possibility of getting output now? 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. Then it is the truth table for which gate? AND gate. This is NOT gate, this is AND gate. Next one, OR gate. Next one, OR gate. Circuit symbol for the OR gate. Base is curved, face is arrow. Base is curved, face is arrow. Okay. But in case of AND gate, base is straight and face is curved. Okay. But in case of OR gate, base is curved and face is arrow. Then this is the symbol of OR gate. Then there are how many inputs? 2 inputs, A and B. Outputs 1. So that is Y is equal to A or B. A or B. This can be read as A or B. Now truth table for OR gate. Truth table. Again input, output, A, B, and output is A or B. A or B. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then outputs are 0 or 0 is 0, 0 or 1 is 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 1 or 1 is 1. So this is the truth table for which gate? OR gate. These three are the basic gates. Now if NOT gate is connected to OR gate, then it becomes NOR gate. If NOT gate is connected to OR gate, then it becomes NOR gate. If NOT gate is connected to OR gate, then it becomes NOR gate. See here, equivalent symbol of this NOR gate can be written as, this is the symbol of NOR gate. Okay. So what this circle indicates here? This circle indicates that NOT gate is connected to OR gate, hence it becomes NOR gate. Then what is the truth table for NOR gate? So if Y bar, because here this is A or B, then A or B is input for the NOT gate, then it is A or B bar, A or B bar. Now, so the complement of 0 is 1, complement of 1 is 0, complement of 1 is 0, again complement of 1 is 0, hence it is the truth table for which gate? NOR gate. Then now next one, NAND gate. What is NAND gate? If the NOT gate is connected to AND gate, then it becomes NAND gate. Here. It is AND gate. If NOT gate is connected to AND gate, then it becomes NAND gate. Then equivalent symbol. Then it is the equivalent symbol. Here it is A input A and it is input B, and it is A and B. A and B is the input for the NOT gate, then we will get output of the NAND gate will be complement of A and B. Complement of A and B, otherwise you can read A and B bar. Okay. Now truth table for NAND gate. Truth table. Again input, output. So here output for both AND gate and NAND gate. AND gate and NAND gate. A, B, then output of AND gate can be written as A and B, and output of NAND gate can be written as Y bar. Y bar means complement of Y. So if it is Y, then it is complement of Y. Then complement of Y is the here output of NAND gate, Y is the output of AND gate. Now see here. If A0, B0, then A0, B1, then A1, B0 and A1, B also 1. Then outputs 0 and 0, 0, then complement of 0 is 1. Next 0 and 1, that is 0, 0 and 1 is 0, then complement of 0 is 1, 1 and 0 is 0, then complement of 0 is 1, 1 and 1 is 1, then complement of 1 is 0. Hence these are the outputs of NAND gate. These are the outputs of NAND gate. So these 5 gates are the very important now. So in the given question, symbolical representation of 4 logic gates are shown as 4 logic gates given. We have to identify AND gate, NAND gate and NOT gates respectively. What we have to identify? AND gate, NAND gate, NOT gates, okay, respectively. 4 gates given in the diagram. So first gate, so this is which type of gate? This is OR gate. But what is our aim? Our aim is to pick out AND, NAND and NOT. AND, NAND and NOT respectively, and NOT respectively. So first one is OR gate. Now second one, then it is which type of gate? It is AND gate. This is OR, this is AND. Next one, third one, that is NOT gate. So already you know about the symbol of OR, AND, NOT, NAND and NOR. Okay. Now it is which type of gate? Then it is NOT. Then fourth one, that is NAND gate. This is NAND, because NOT gate is connected to AND gate, hence it becomes NAND gate. What is our aim? Our aim is to pick out and NAND NOT respectively. So second one is AND gate, then fourth one is NAND gate, fourth one is NAND gate, and third one is NOT gate. Third one is NOT gate. So second one is AND gate, fourth one is NAND gate, and third one is NOT gate. Then which is the correct option here? Second 4 and 3 means second 4 and 3 means option C is correct here. Option C is correct. In the option C, so Roman number 2, Roman number 4 and Roman number 3 given. Roman number 2 means here AND gate, Roman number 4 means here NAND gate, Roman number 3 means here NOT gate. Hence option C is correct. Now see here the combination of logic gates given. So by taking the output of combination of these logic gates, then we can identify this combination gives which type of gate, whether it is OR gate, whether it is NAND gate, whether it is AND gate or OR gate. Okay. So means we have to find output of this combination. How to find the output of this combination? See here A and B are the inputs. Y1 is the output of the first NOT gate, Y2 is the output of the second NOT gate, and here Y1 and Y2 are the inputs for the NOR gate. Then finally we will get the output of this combination. Output of this combination means let us write the truth table. Truth table. Truth table A, B. A and B are the two inputs, means possibilities are 4, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now, if A 0, then the output of the first NOT gate is 1, means Y1. Y1 is the output of first NOT gate. Then next, again, if A 0, then Y1 is again 1. Then, if A is 1, then Y1 is 0. Then next, if A is 1, again Y1 is 0. Now let us move to the B. Okay. So if B is 0, then Y2 is 1. Y2 is 1. Next one. If B is 1, then Y2 is 0. Y2 is 0. Then if B is 0, then Y2 is 1. Then if B is 1, then Y2 is 0. Then here Y1 and Y2 are the inputs for NOR gate. See here Y1 and Y2 are the outputs of first NOT gate and second NOT gate respectively, and the outputs of first NOT gate and second NOT gate are the input for the NOR gate. So first we have to find Y1 or Y2. Y1 or Y2, then its complement we have to find, because OR gate is further connected to NOT gate. Then we have to find the output of OR gate and the complement of output of OR gate, that gives the output of the whole combination. Then it is complement. Then 1 or 1, that is 1, 1 or 0, 1, 0 or 1, 1, 0 or 0, 0. Then complement of 1 is 0, then complement of 1 is 0, the complement of 1 is again 0, then complement of 0 is 1. Hence, this is the final output. This final output is nothing but Y. So, this is the output for which gate? This is the output for AND gates here. 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, then 1 and 1, 1. Hence, this whole combination of logic gates gives AND gate. This whole gives AND gate. Hence, this is the answer. So, next question. In the given question, the combination of gates given, there are how many NOT gates? 3 NOT gates and 1 NAND gate, because NOT gate is connected to AND gate, that can be represented by this circle. Okay, 3 NOT gates and 1 NAND gate. Then what is our aim? Our aim is to find output. our aim is to find the output. So listen here, how to solve this one. Here a value, b value and c value given. Then a 0, then complement of 0 is 1. Then b is 1, then complement of 1 is 0. Then if c is 1, then complement of c is 0. So a is input for the first NOT gate, b is input for the second NOT gate and c is input for the third NOT gate. A 0 means then output of first NOT gate is 1. Then b is 1 means the output of second NOT gate is 0. Then if c is 1 means the output of third NOT gate is 0. Now 1, 0 and 0, 1, 0 and 0 are the inputs for AND gate, Then we will get, then I will modify this diagram. Now this AND gate is connected to NOT gate, hence it becomes a NAND gate. Okay. Now 1, 0, 0 are the inputs for the AND gate. So 1 and 0, 1 and 0 and 0, 1 and 0 and 0. So that gives 0. Okay. Because 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0. Then complement of 0 is 1, hence y is equal to 1. Then what is the output for the given combination? That is 1. Option C1, first option 1, second option 0, third option not predictable and last option none of these. So what is the output here? Output is 1. Once again listen here, 1, 0, 0 are the inputs for AND gate. Means how many inputs are there? 3 inputs are there. Then I will write 1 and 0 and 0. Then 1 and 0 is 0. Then 0 and 0 is 0. Then 0 is the input for NOT gate. Then what is the complement of 0? Complement of 0 is 1. Hence the output of this combination will be 1. Output of this combination. So in the next question also the combination of logic gates given. So what is our aim? Our aim is to find which type of gate it is. So by finding the output we can say whether it is OR gate, NOR gate, AND gate or NAND gate. Okay. See here, what is the question now? The question is the given electrical network is equivalent to first option AND gate, second option OR gate, third option NOR gate and last option NOT gate. So first we have to find the output of this whole combination. Depending on output we can say which type of gate it is. See here. There are how many inputs? 2 inputs, A, B. Then possibilities are 4, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now 0 and 0 are the inputs for the NOR gate, Then output of the NOR gate is complement of OR gate. 0 or 0 is 0, but its complement is 1. So y1 is the output for the first NOR gate. Next one, 0 or 1, that is 1, then complement of 1 is 0. 1 or 0, that is 1, then complement of 1 is again 0. 1 or 1, because it is NOR gate, 1 or 1 is 1, then complement of 1 is 0. Then here y1 is the input for the second NOR gate. So y1 is the input for the second NOR gate and there is only one input. Then output of the second NOR gate can be taken as y2. Okay. Now see here, the complement of 1 is 0 because it is NOR gate. The complement of 0 is 1, 1, 1. Now here this y2 is input for the NOT gate. Then what is the complement of 0? That is 1. Complement of 1, 0, 0, 0. So let us consider these 3 columns only. So these 2 are the inputs and this is the output. Now this is the output for NOR gate. See here. In case of NOR gate, what happens? 0 or 0 gives 0, but its complement gives 1. And 0 or 1 gives 1, but its complement that gives 0. Hence it is the output of which gate? NOR gate. Then this combination or this electrical network gives which gate here? That is NOR gate. Hence this is the